How to fix your file explorer not working on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily fix your file explorer not working on your PC or laptop. So first thing, just hit the Ctrl Shift and Escape button simultaneously on your keyboard and it will open up your task manager just like this. Now what you need to do is just come over to your task managers like this and just open or searching for the Windows file explorer. So let me just quickly searching for that. So as you can see, I've located it and simply right click on it and just click on restart. So just try restarting your Windows Explorer first. So once you do that, if it's not fixing your issue, so next thing what you want to do is just head over to control panel by search menu, and once you're inside here, just choose the small icon over here and just locate the file explorer option, double click on it and make sure to clear all of the cache from over here and restore defaults and hit apply and hit OK. So once you do all of that, again come back to your control panel menu just like this, and once you're inside here, just select this file explorer option once again, double click on it and just click on this quick access and change this to this PC just like this and click on apply and click on OK for the last time, and try restarting your PC and your issues should be fixed. So that is it for today guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe channel. See you on the next one.